two persons A and B invested in a business with 1,15,000 and 75,000 rupees respectively. They agreed that 40% of the profit should be divided equally among them and rest is divided between them according to their investment. If A got 500 rupees more than B, then the total profit is what? Okay, so from the first statement we get the ratio of their investment. So ratio of the investment of A and B here is A and B invested 1,15,000 and 75,000 respectively. So I can say that it is 115 is to 75, or I can say that 5 2s are 5 3s are and 5 15s are. So we have got the ratio of the investment of A and B, which is 23 is to 15. All right. They agreed that 40% of the profit should be divided equally among them and the rest is divided according to their investment. So first of all, let's say that the total profit here is X. All right. Now what they agreed is, they agreed that 40% will be divided among them equally. So that means that 40% of this X will be divided equally. So what is remaining here? 100 minus 40, 60% of X is remaining. And this will be divided equally among them according to their investment. And their investment ratio is 23 is to 15. So this 60% of X will be divided among A and B in the ratio of 23 is to 15. All right, this much is clear. So from this we can calculate the A's share here. So A's share here will be, we have learned this in the ratio to calculate the share of A. We take the ratio of A, which is 23, divided by the total ratio. So 23 plus 15 here will be 38, and 23 by 38 of what? 60% of X. And this is the A's share from the remaining profit. Similarly, we can calculate the B's share here. B's share here will be ratio of B, which is 15, divided by total ratio, which is 38 of what? Remaining profit, which is 60% of X. All right. Moving forward, we are given that if A got 500 rupees more than B, we are given that A got 500 rupees more than B, or I can say that A minus B here is 500. Okay. What this question is asking us? What is the total profit? So we have to find out the value of X here. We know that A minus B here is 500, and we already calculated the share of A and B here. So let's substitute it. We know that A's share is this. So let's substitute it here. We write 23 by 38 into 60% of X minus B's share is this. So we write it here 15 by 38 into 60% of X, and this is equals to 500. All right. So now let's take 60 by 100x common. 60 by 100x is taken common. Now we are left with 23 by 38 minus 15 by 38. So 23 minus 15 is 8 by 38. All right. Is equals to this 500. Let's simplify. So 0, 0 cancelled. 2 4s are 2 19s are, and 4 1s are 2 5. And what else can be done? All right, so we can calculate the value of X here, which is this 10 and 19 will go on the right hand side and get multiplied with 125. So we get 1250 into this 19 divided by this 6. And I've already calculated this value. This comes out to be around approximately 3958.34. So this is our required answer here. So here option B is the correct one.